Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Ozzy back for another pack opening video. Today we'll be opening some of these 125k packs. Sorry I haven't been uploading, I'll try uploading tomorrow and I'll explain that video. So let's get opening these packs. Let's see. An icon, that's pretty good. See who we get. Centre back. Nesta. Is it Nesta? I don't think it is. Maldini. You got Maldini. He's pretty good. I've never actually used him. So, let's open this other pack. What's in here? I thought it was going to be Pogba there for a second. Let's open this 100k pack because I don't have enough coins. It's Bob. Why does this dude look like a Tic Tac? Look at that. Okay, let's just open some normal packs. Sell these, get coins. Okay, open some normal packs. I'll try and save up for a 100k pack, but nothing is promised. So, who do we get here? Oh, he's not very good. So, if you guys, this is a walkout. If you guys want to see a setup video, just like, because I've got some new stuff for Christmas. So, yeah. And comment down in the comment section below what you got for Christmas. And what soccer team you support. Or football. I don't want to confuse you English people out there. These packs are dead. So dead. Haven't got anything good besides that Ericsson on these normal packs. Oh, a rare. It's not going to be any good. Is he good though? Okay, let's sell these players and open a 50k pack. So, yeah. Just don't have enough for a 50k pack. Open a bit more. What do we got here? Hamsik. Oh, Lucas. It's gonna be. So, got Lucas. These should sell for a bit. The Troll Sané. Man City are probably gonna win the whole Prem. They've been going so good, even without like Aguero and that, and they've been winning. Okay, let's see what's in this 50k pack. It's not going to be anything good. Oh, Isco. That's good because I don't have him. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully.